and Design. So today I will be explaining about our current CASA assessment that we have just completed. So since the information about this assessment is very rare on the internet, so I thought of let's get one. So I just completed my tier 2 application. So I was actually working on an Android application which help you to organize the email. So this is my application where I fetch the email and categorize it. You can unsubscribe it and do a lot of stuff. If you are interested, you can download it. So basically for that I was needing modify a scope. So if you can see here, so it is being approved. So for that one I started the CASA assessment. So I will start with how everything was started and what all things were required for that one. So for example, if you show a verification center, when we put all our data that we need to modify a scope, so it will give you as error here ki you will get a mail from the CASA assessment, you have to complete that. So I got a mail that I need to complete a CASA assessment, and the relevant or the partner of Google were like a lot of other company, and I choose tax security. So when I logged in the tax security, so yeah, I will remind you what I did the mistake while logging in. For mistakenly I choose the 2 years. I mean it's depend on you, but because of the UI I choose the 2 years, and while doing the payment it didn't ask for OTP. So I had to do the payment for 1 year, but I mistakenly gave it for 2 years. So I just check it once before doing the payment. And once you start, this process will start where you will have to give your app. First step is just for filling all your forms. Second step is your when you will update your APK, and then it will create a report. So before starting this, what I will suggest ki when you will receive the mail, you will receive in the tax security also you will find a document where they have listed around 24 parameters. So before starting this CASA assessment, what I did is I went through one each parameter, checked with my app if it is related to my app or not. If it is related, I did the requested changes. If it is not related, I just mentioned ki it's not for my changes. So more for my application, so there you will find a lot of parameter which can be not related to your app. So in that case you can just say no and you can just say next. So what I did is before even after sending it to the CASA, I completed all the 74 parameter one by one. And once it is done, then after making the suggested changes, so for example for me it was like I was using shared preference in my app and I was not using encryption. So then I used AES 256 encryption or 512 encryption for this one. So after completing all those 74 parameter, I submitted my IPK to here. So first time I got the report generated. So in this one they uh, give 10 pointers. It is ki like on out of 10 you need to get 9 point for your app to be get successful. So in the first score I got 6.7 point, and approx I had to give they give approx 5 issue which I need to resolve. So out of 5 issue, 3 were can be resolved and 2 cannot be resolved because it was not related to me. Like I was getting API from some other I was getting API from Gmail, so I can't do anything there. So I just mentioned in the comment, ki, okay, I know I can't do here anything. If you want, you can just go through it. Uh, they will review it again. So after that, the second submission of APK, I got approx 9.5 and it got submitted. The remediation part got submitted. Then it will come with the rescanning part where you have to add the SEQ. So the 74 parameter that you have filled here, something similar to that will come here. So you need to do yes no and the comment. So while reviewing it here only, I had added some comments also. He done and I had some commented in the notion key for each uh, parameter what is the answer. So this makes your time a little fast. Uh, it will be little fast, and yeah, once it is done you have updated the SEQ, then the main patience work will start because you will not receive anything from anywhere. what I have to do, what you have to do next. Nothing you will get for at least 1 or 2 weeks, and then finally you will. What in my case, after 2 weeks I mailed to that this team, CASA team, and they reverted with key. Okay, we need this confirmation. So then after sending the mail, they started the conversation. Okay, we need this more. We need that thing also. We need that thing. So that conversation went for like 3 4 more days, and finally my CASA assessment got confirmed, and here I was able to see LOB submitted. But still, the Google has updated there that pop-up like Google haven't have verified this app after like almost 1 or 2 weeks. So this whole process from this parameter review to creating new APK to the scanning report generation and again remediation, it almost took me 1 month for me, and it is not that much like that much time, because earlier when we did not have AI, going through this 24 parameter was very hard. So I believe this is one of the way you can go through the CASA assessment. So if you need any help, just let me know. I will be ready to help you. Thank you.